Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to connect your bank account to Zoho Books. Linking your bank lets us automatically import transactions, make reconciliation easier, and keep our financial records accurate and up to date. Let's get started. On the Zoho Books dashboard, go to the Banking section, which you will find on the left side of your dashboard. Once you see it, click on it. Here, you will see the option to connect your bank or credit card. Click on this and choose your bank, or add it manually if needed. If your bank is already listed, click on it, for example, and then click on PayPal or your bank account. Select Configure Bank Account, and you will be redirected to your PayPal account. Log in with your email. If you have a PayPal account, log in. If you have a business account, you can continue. If not, you will need to change it to a business account. Without a digital business account, you cannot continue. If everything is ready, click Next and verify your account with PayPal. Now, your account is connected to Zoho Books. Once connected, review and categorize your imported transactions to keep your books clean and accurate.